Hello guys, this is Alex again and I'm back. I haven't done any videos for a while, but I'm got opportunity here on the VW Polo. But this goes to most of the cars which got a problem with their heater blower that only works in one speed or doesn't work at all. In this case it only blows on the number 4, which you can see. All the other speeds don't work, and that is gonna be 99% of the cases is a heater blower resistor, which is that one there. I'll explain how to get there. This is the old one. So like I say, it was only blowing number 4. I've swapped it, left it there just to check it, and it's blowing all the speeds now. So that fixed it. So what you have to do, guys, you have to remove this bit first, which is held by 3 screws. 1, 2 and 3 there. So you just pull it off, it comes off, and then you're gonna have another 3 screws holding the glove box in. But the glove box also gonna have 1, 2, 3 screws at the top. Once you've done them, you're gonna have to pull the top bit of the glove box out first, and then it comes out quite easily. Once you've done that, you will have to, this is a bit tricky to get to a resistor because it is going to be in there, right in there. I can't really show it, but there's a hole now there. This goes in there. I'm going to try and explain you. So it's going to be sitting, it's quite tricky to get to. You're going to be sitting like that. You got little plastic locators here. So all you have to do is turn it anti-clockwise. You turn it anti-clockwise, it releases it, so then you pull it up, then you pull the wiring. Don't disconnect this because you need to kind of pull the wiring to get the thing out, because it's quite tricky to get out of there. You'll understand once you get to it. So like I said, anti-clockwise and it comes out, and to put it in, obviously put it in like that and then turn it clockwise and it locks. But make sure the wiring is connected, because you're not going to be able to connect the wiring afterwards. So like I said, it's all in there, so you have to kind of work your way in there, get in and lock it. Make sure it's locked properly so no humidity is going to get in there, and that should do the job, guys. So it's nice and simple for you. It is not just for the Polo, like I said, it's for most of the cars, and the resistors are usually around that area or under the glove box. So good luck, guys, and if this was helpful, please subscribe, share my videos, comment, and like. Thank you very much. Bye.